Meanwhile, South Africa's rail network is at a crossroads. Years of neglect have crippled a system that was once vital to its economy. Well, now Transnet, which is the state-run logistics operator, says that it is opening its doors to private operators now as it looks to turn things around. But will it work? Well, Sumitra Naidu tells us.
South Africa's vast rail network is a key driver of trade. However, inefficiencies, mismanagement, crime and underinvestment have led to severe bottlenecks, forcing businesses to turn to costly road transport. Now, a major reform is underway.
For 100 years, we've had an economically unregulated state monopoly that's been responsible for the railway freight services in South Africa. So the introduction of competition across the length and breadth of the South African rail system is really significant. We've also seen the vertical separation of Transnet between infrastructure management, which is the TRIM, and Transnet Freight Rail Operating Company, or TFROC, responsible for the trains. And the idea behind that is TFROC then operate trains on the same basis as private operators that now enter the system.
The investment needed is significant, around $13 billion. The rail network will be opened up to third-party operators.
This railway system is going to be open to all those who are willing to have trains running, state and private players. So ours really is to bring back the network up, open access to those who are willing to put their money into the railway. And we hope that the end result of this is going to move cargo back from road to rail. And in doing so, we are of the firm view that it's going to lower the cost of doing business.
It's a crucial step towards improving efficiencies, increasing capacity and ultimately driving export-led growth in South Africa.
Exports can only increase on our GDP. Better relationships internationally. I think a stronger supply chain, a more steadier supply chain can lead to better relationships in terms of our exporters creating on the international market, reliance around that there. Reducing the cost of movement of goods, a creation of jobs. It's reported by 2029 we could create 100,000 jobs and generate billions in revenue just in the citrus market itself. So you apply that to the mining sectors and other sectors that we have that's massive in the exports.
Transnet's reforms are already receiving attention with 98 applications of interest thus far. Some experts believe this public-private partnership is a move in the right direction to get South Africa's rail logistics back on track. Sumitra Naidu, CGTN, Johannesburg.